Imagine being frozen solid. No heartbeat, no breath, no brain activity. But not for the wood frog. Meet Rana sylvatica, the wood frog, a small, unassuming amphibian. When winter comes, this frog doesn't burrow or migrate. It stays put and allows itself to freeze. Yes, literally freeze. Ice crystals form, blood stops, heart ceases, essentially dead. But here's the twist. It's not actually dead. It's in a suspended state, frozen, yet alive. Thanks to a natural antifreeze, the frog's liver pumps out glucose, preventing cell damage. All winter, the wood frog remains frozen, then thaws in spring, coming back to life. No brain damage, no organ failure, just back to business. This ability has stunned scientists and inspired research into cryopreservation. Nature is full of wonders, and sometimes the most mind-blowing ones are hidden in the smallest creatures.